Hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In this tutorial I will be showing you how you can actually use the ChatGPT AI on your browser. So the ChatGPT is like a bot that you can chat with and interact with in any language, and he will or it will understand you, answer you, and yeah, it will give you like really cool answers for whatever question you have. So let's start with going to OpenAI website, because this ChatGPT is actually one of this website functions. So now after we open this website, we have to go to OpenAI, and right after that you see here the introduction ChatGPT features realize. We can click here to try it and here to learn more about it. So let's click on try, and this page will be opened for us. So let's log into our account by going to log in. Let's log in right now. So here we click on continue with Google or whatever you like to do, and we use our account. So we wait a little bit, it will not take a lot, and here we go. Now let's wait, let's click on it again. Okay, I think it's bugged for me. Let's refresh. Oh, here we go. Yeah. So now what you will have to do is click on new chat, and this page will be open for you. So now let's interact first with the bot. So let's say hi, and here you see, hello, how can I help you today? How are you feeling? I do not have feelings in the same way that humans do. However, I'm here to help you to your best, and yeah, you can interact with it. So for example, let's ask him a question. What day is it today? I'm sorry, but I'm not able to access the current date as I'm training data only goes up until, and I'm not able to browse the web or access information outside of what I was originally orchestrated of. So as you can see here, there is some question that he will not be able to answer it. But if we said something like that, how can I program games? He will give you multiple options to develop your game, and yeah, he will give you a bunch of like articles or summary of articles. So here, first of all, they give you some hint like about the game engine, what languages to learn, what platforms to use, and yeah, he will keep writing it for you and gathering resources or information from multiple websites, and he will make you, or it will make you like a perfect essay or article for you to start your game development. You can say also, can you program me an simple calculator in Python? So here we wait a little bit, and it will start making some calculator for us, and here you can see it can do whatever thing you'd like it to do for you in programming. It can give you some notes, it can give you a lot of stuff. It can give you guys. So I think here my connection has lost, so that's why it didn't complete his work, but yeah, you get the idea, guys. You can do a bunch of stuff using this bot. So yeah guys, that was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.